Shein System Updating Problem Fixed, 2026. Why Shein System Updating gets stuck on you. If the Shein app is stuck on System Updating, you are not alone. This issue can happen because of a slow internet connection, temporary server maintenance, an outdated app, or corrupted app data. In most cases, you can resolve the problem with a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the app loads properly. A weak or unstable connection can prevent the update from finishing. Next, make sure you are using the latest version of the Shein app. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and install any available updates. Older app versions may have compatibility issues that have already been fixed. If the app is still stuck, force close it and reopen it. You can also restart your phone to clear temporary system issues. On Android, clearing the app's cache may help resolve loading problems without affecting your account. If that does not work, you can try reinstalling the app after making sure you know your login details. If the issue continues, try signing in through the official Shein website. If the website works, but the app does not, the problem is likely app-related. If neither the app nor the website works, there may be a temporary service issue, so waiting a while and trying again may be the best option. If none of these steps solve the problem, contact Shein customer support through the official website or app. Once it is accessible, they can confirm whether there is an account-specific issue or an ongoing service interruption. For example, if the app stays on the system updating screen for several minutes, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, update the app to the latest version, restart your phone, and try opening the app again. Tip: enable automatic app updates whenever possible, so you always have the latest bug fixes and performance improvements, which can help prevent loading and update issues.